What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and we are back with another embroidery video. And in today's video, we will be doing another stitch out, another famous person. Probably you can see it on the screen. Maybe you can, maybe you can't, but it will be Tupac. I did a Biggie, so hey, might as well go ahead and follow it up with a Tupac. I know a couple people was asking me to do other characters, so I will post some other characters that I'll be doing. So definitely stay tuned with that, guys. So we are going to go ahead and get this started. Let's go ahead and start the machine up. Alrighty, so all we have to do is go ahead. I have everything set already. I have my top thread, I have my bottom thread. The bottom thread is kind of low, but I do want to run out all of the black. So I will go ahead and just start it up with the bobbin that's already in there. So all I have to do is press the green button and we are set to go. Also, let me know if you guys want the videos to be just a little bit longer. I just don't know if you guys are really that in tune with the embroidery. So that's why I kind of shorten it a little bit just to give you a glimpse and not drown you out with it. But if you do want the videos to be a little bit longer, just let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely be able to do that. I don't know if you can see this little part right here. A little glue. That's all it is. Just a little bit of glue right there. No biggie. So while we are waiting, guys, please go ahead and do me a huge favor. Let's see if we can get this video to 25 likes. That'll be greatly appreciated, guys. Like I said, more videos on the way. Definitely stay tuned. And go ahead and put your requests in in the comments below. Like I said, if you got any ideas or suggestions, put them in the comments. That's how I'll be notified. That's the most effective way to let me know what you guys want to see or what you guys have in mind. So go ahead and do that in the comments below right now. You see it. You see it coming out a little bit. You can tell who it is. I mean, I think if I would have never told you guys, or if you would have never saw the thumbnail, I think you would have had a kind of a, you know, clue of who or what I'm stitching out. So, but while we are waiting, real quick, go ahead in the comment section also as well, and just for fun's sake, just what is your favorite Tupac song, album? What do you have in mind? Once again, when you think of Tupac, what do you have in mind? What's your favorite song? Go ahead, put them in the comments below. What do you bump? If you still listen to Tupac right now, go ahead, put those in the comments too, and put your favorite song down there. Alright guys, if you're still watching, go ahead and do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel. Also hit those thumbs up, it'll be greatly appreciated, guys. Thank you guys once again for the support. Thank everybody just for, you know, keeping me grounded, keeping my head up, and wanting to put these videos out. And that's YouTube as well as the people outside of YouTube. So I appreciate everyone. Thank you guys. So far, so good, guys. Let me know in the comment section right now, how do it look? Can you see it? Can you see the Tupac image? Let me know, guys. Let me know something. Talk to me. Coming out clean so far, guys. Coming out clean. I don't know if you can hear what's going on in my background. Let me see. So I don't know if you hear that noise. That is my cutter going on. Another project going on in the background. That's another video, but definitely stay tuned to the channel. So I'm working, guys. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying, you know what I mean? So I'm doing everything I can, like I said. Doing everything I can to keep the money flowing. This also is like, it's my sanity. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, when I feel stressed out, this is where I go, right to the office, doing some designs, and just getting away from all the anxiety and stuff, the wild stuff that's going on right now in this world. So as you probably already just seen or heard, that the machine stopped because the bobbin thread is almost empty. So we're gonna go ahead and swap out this bobbin there, get everything started back up. See if I can zoom in a little bit. My fault, guys. Just trying to see what was this. It's like a bump. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like a small little bump right here. Just trying to see what that was. I mean, I can't do anything about it because it's up under the thread, of course. So just trying to feel and see what that was about. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't think this part, which was the eyeball, I ain't think that was gonna come out right, but obviously it did. Alright guys, let me know so far, how is it turning out? How do it look? Do it resemble Tupac? Is it off a little bit? Is it off a lot? Let me know guys down in the comment section below. And real quick, if you are still here and you are still watching, go ahead and do me another huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, and also thumbs up the video. Greatly appreciated guys. Stay tuned. Continue watching. So this part right here is the do-rag part, or bandana should I say, on his head. While we are still here waiting guys, go ahead in the comment section below. I know there's one of those controversy conversations, but I gotta know, I want to know. I mean, who's better? You already know what I'm about to say, so who's better? Who you guys think is better? Biggie? Tupac? And who you guys think will be right now if they were both still alive today? Who would be on top? Maybe both of them, maybe just one or the other. Let me know down in the comment section, guys. Go ahead, drop them. We're almost there, guys. Stay with me, stick it out. Appreciate you guys for staying tuned to the video. Probably got about, I would say about 21, maybe 2,000 stitches left. 2,000 stitches left, so we ain't too far away guys. We still got a little bit more to go, but definitely stay tuned, stay with me guys. Appreciate you guys for stopping by even to watch the video. So the design in totality, I think, came out dope. Not done yet, but just off of what I'm seeing now, came out great. Maybe could even be put on a hat, a left chest on a shirt. I don't know, some sleeves or anything, you know. I mean, because that's just the type of stuff that I do, so that's why I am naming those. I mean, it can put on probably anything, but those are just a few. Probably another 500 stitches to go, and that was surprising. Let me stop it there, lift it up, cut that jump stitch. If you know by now, you know I hate them. Perfect. All right. video is done. Let me go ahead and bag this up for a minute. And we'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned. Let me take this out of the hoop. All right, so go ahead and lift this up. Take it out. And what do you guys think? Let me know. Came out dope. I'm scoot it over a little bit just to some light. Let me know what you guys think. How did it turn out? Good, bad, great, don't like it? Go ahead, guys. Put it in the comments below. Let me know, how did it turn out? I think it came out nice. With this camera back on, it came out nice. Definitely more videos similar to this on the way, guys. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. And as always, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Stay blessed, guys, and always continue to strive for greatness. I'm out. Until next time.